Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, I'm outside a industrial complex today. I have something unusual for sale. It is offices, workshops, whatever you want to call it. It's opposite Woolworths Financial Services. That's over there. And if you come in with a car, you'll be entering through this gate. And if you're a pedestrian, then you're going to be pressing some buttons here, and that will let you in through the pedestrian gate. Now, this specific unit is right here on the ground floor. We're looking at it. This is part of it. It consists of 4 parking bays. There you have 1, 2, 3, and the 4th car is parked over there. This is all part of the offices that we are looking at. And you will enter, the entrance is through here. It has got loads of security. You have to put on your mask, safety first, lots of buttons here, and then you will go through this door over here, another set of doors over here where you will sanitize your hands. That goes to somewhere else. This is where we are coming into the specific property that is for sale right now, and let's walk around and see what it's all about. It's mostly consisting of light-filled office space. You can see more details on the floor plan when you have a look around on my website. There's fitted carpets. You can see big space, office space here, and then this is the so-called reception area. Lots of light, natural light coming in here. It's a bit of a messy situation here, but anyway, another, just show you the extent of the space. This is on the street, this window overlooking the street, and that first parking spot that we looked at. Cement floors with carpets. I think these people are in the electrical business. We're going down this way. This is another one of the offices. Office number 3. Walking down the passage, here is another office over here with storage space. There's an interleading office. There's a door on the left, and this door leads into this office over here. There's the door. You can see the kind of things that these people are keeping themselves busy with. Right, we're going down the passage. This is kind of a more workshop area. There's a central courtyard on the other side of those windows. You can see they've turned it into a very light-filled space here. This is all kinds of things lying around here, or packed away, organized. The gentleman who's selling here is reaching retirement and he's scaling down. Right here in front of us is a huge safe. It's good to see the extent of this solid door here, and yeah, anyway, all I can say is that it's a very large area here where you can put all your files, or this seems what they are putting in here. No gold or diamonds, it looks like it. We continue down towards the back part of this office building, office complex studio unit. There's an outside area which we're going to have a look at right now. It's also part of this unit. Then it comes with a pretty neat, compact, basic little kitchen. And there are 2 bathrooms here. The one for the ladies, consisting of a basin and a toilet. Just so you know, if you are interested to find out more, Werner, I'm the estate agent. I'd love to show you around. You can visit my website, hotpropertyincapetown.com, where you can see a floor plan and all the more details. There is a nifty little hot water system there. This is the bathroom for the gentleman, and it consists of a hand basin, water closet, and also a place where you can do your pedal over there. And finally we're going to go outside, where a few steps down, in a rainy Cape Town today, there's this outside room here, a huge storage area also, which is also part of this office complex here, the unit that is for sale right now. Now, there you have it. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to show you around on this video. Please give me a call when you want to see the inside. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.